Here we see a typical village garden, which is visited by many birds. A number of species can be observed here eating or drinking at the same time. The garden owners have provided numerous feeding spots to attract as many birds as possible. And there are plenty of ways to quench one's thirst as well. It can become quite busy at times, and some species will only visit at more quiet moments. This female blackbird likes to visit the garden frequently. So does this blue tit. And whilst drinking together bonds, and eating, searching for food is mostly done in solitude. In harmony with oneself and full concentration. This great tit is also hungrily looking for food. It finds a flower. There you go. A regular feather cleansing at the spa is required. And a few gym exercises will ensure one's fitness levels and overall shape. Find the worm. Open the seed and work that beam. Keep working it, baby. Yeah. And then playtime. This young is still learning. Almost there. Yes. Watch it. Don't let the self-induced vibrations scare you off. Goodbye to you all. This little one hurt itself and additionally had to endure this human's need to care. Well, bugger off, human.
Exact nog mee? Nee, ik ben net pas aan het meten.